Hello and welcome all. I would like to begin with by acknowledging the traditional custodies of the land and pay my respect to elders past, present, and emerging. Today I will be explaining play-based learning and why it is important for children development in their early childhood for their. In this presentation, we are going to discuss about what is play-based learning, theories of play and what type of play, and the importance of play and how play is used in childcare. What is play-based learning? Play-based learning is an approach that used in early childhood education where children learn through play activities that they are guided and supported by educators. This means that while children are playing, they are also developing their soft skills such as communication, problem solving, and cooperation. And what is educators' role? Educators are designed carefully environment activities that encourage learning through exploration and interaction. For example, a simple water play activity can help children understand the concepts of volume of the cause and effect, while also improving coordination, teamwork as well. And play-based learning is different from traditional teaching method because it focuses on child interest and encourages active participation rather than possessive learning. This approach recognizes young children learn best when they are engaged and motivated. So it also allows children to build confidence as they take ownership of their learning experiences. For families, it is really important to understand that play-based learning is not just unstructured or random. It's just intentional and planned to support development across various domains. Educators observe children to play and provide guidance to extend their learning. By using this approach, childcare centers can create an environment where children feel safe, supported, and excited to learn every day. Now let's move to some theories that we are using in early childhood teaching. As first one, I choose Vygotsky. Vygotsky theory highlights the importance of social interaction in children's learning. He explained that children learn best when they interact with others, such as educators, peers, and families. And he also introduced idea of zone of proximal development, which means children can achieve more with support than they can alone. Role of educators and families. Educators and families provide encouragement, communication, and guidance to forecasting effective play-based learning environment. As well as there are so many collaborative play benefits as well. It helps to play children develop their language skill, problem solving skills, and understanding different perspectives as well. So this shows how important guidance and collaborations are play-based learning. Let's have a look about Piaget theory. Piaget theory focuses on learning through exploration. Children learn by exploring their environment and interacting with objects and experiences. In this stage of what is the stages of cognitive development? Children move through stages where they can thinking becomes more advanced. Play helps them to develop new skills over time. And he believed that children learn by interactive and with their environment and discovering things independently. So, as a role of a play-based learning, play in learning, play support problem solving, logical thinking, and understanding cause and the effect, and understanding how things work. And this encourages independence and how active learning. Children learn best through their own discovery. Play encourage and independence to explore their own experience. Now let's have a look between those two theories. What are the differences and how can we use it? In both Piaget and Vygotsky explain how children learn through play. Piaget focuses on independent exploration while Vygotsky focuses on social interaction and support. Early childhood In early childhood both approaches are really important. Let's have a look what are the differences between both of them. When we take learning approach, Piaget saying learning through exploration and self discovery, while Vygotsky explained about learning through social interaction and what is the role of others in their early childhood while using these theories. Children learn independently, and according to Vygotsky, adults and peers support and learning. So, as a role of play, as according to Piaget, develops thinking and as well as problem solving skill. While Vygotsky support language, social skill and collaboration. Especially in Australia, as it is a multicultural country, we have different cultures, different skills, different languages in our centers. So they are interacting with different type of people, different cultural people. So that way they can learn from each other and how to deal with those everyone. So especially an application in practice. While Pioget's focus on independent exploration, Vygotsky focuses on guided learning and support. So according to those theories, a balanced approach that includes both independence play and guided learning provide best outcome for the children development, since it is the both approaches are really important in cognitive development. Let's have a look about type of plays. There are different type of play that support children's development. Dramatic play. Dramatic play nutrients imagination and social emotion skills by acting out real life scenarios. And constructive play develops problem solving, fine motor skill through building and creating, as well as risk play. It builds confidence, physical coordination through challenging activities like climbing and camping, and holistic development. And as educators, we should provide diverse play experience to support wide-ranging skills to their child and also children's development. Now let's have a look about why play is important. Play is important because it supports all areas of development. It supports physical development through movement and also supports cognitive development through thinking and problem solving, as well as social and emotional development through relationships, and support language development through communication. And how we use play. In childcare settings, educators create safe and engaging environment where children can explore and learn. Educators use intentionally support children learning, development, engaging environment. And also when they are planning activities and activity stations are building areas that pretend they can play, encourage diverse learning experience for children. And also teachers are guided. Educators observe children's interest and guide play with questions, support and extended learning. It helps to develop their curiosity and observation as well. And family confidence and engagement. Exploring play role ensure families about quality education and encourages learning through at home. Thank you, families, for the valuable time and continuous dedication. Your active participation makes our program truly outstanding. We warmly encourage you all to question comments to our cultivate deeper sharing understanding to enhance child-led opportunities. Every insight from home aid us deep learning understanding design most meaningful classroom moments. Let's keep exploring learning together.